In English version mathematics class 5 chapter 9 number 2. We are giving a chart, historic diagram, and how many students are in class 4 grade. How many students in class 4? Here the diagram. 3, 4, 5, 7, 3, 6, and 2. That means 30 students total. Okay. And number B, in which class interval of number of students is maximum? That means maximum interval 61 to 70. That means 7 number. 7. Number C, let us make a table from historic above. This history, they want to make a table. Means table number of students and table to obtain marks and students. 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 90, 91 to 100. This is the table. Okay. If you see in the chart, this here 30 to 40, 31 to 40, 3 students, then 41 to 50, 4 students, 51 to 60, 5 students, 61 to 70, 7 students, 71 to 83 students, and 81 to 90, 6 students, and 91 to 100, 2 students. Okay. And number D. What percentage of students are class interval 51 to 60? Means how many percentage of students got 51 to 60% marks? In this chart, 51 to 60, we saw 5 students. Okay. That means we see the histogram. 5 students got 51 to 60. That means how many students? And students and total is students are 30. Okay. Then 30 students in 5. 1 students 5 by 30. And how many? The answer question is percentage. That means 100. Percentage mean in 100. And that means 100 to 35 into 100. 3 by 50. If we divide it by 50, that means 16 actually 48 2.06 18 2 this is 7. Okay, answer 16.67%. Okay, thank you.